Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how a customer token machine works step by step. A customer token machine is a self-service kiosk used in banks and service centers to manage customer flow in an organized way. Instead of people waiting in confusion, the machine issues a token number and guides each customer to the correct service counter. As a result, service becomes more orderly, faster, and easier to manage. First, the customer approaches the token machine kiosk and touches the screen to begin. The welcome screen appears and starts the token issuing process. Next, the customer selects the type of service needed. For example, the available options may include cash deposit, cash withdrawal, account opening, customer service, loan desk, or general inquiry. This step helps the system understand which service counter the customer should be directed to. After that, the customer chooses the preferred language. This makes the process easier to understand and more user-friendly, especially in places where customers may speak different languages. Then, the customer enters the required details. Depending on the system, this may include an account number, mobile number, or the option to continue as a walk-in customer without entering personal details. In this way, the machine can identify the service type and generate the correct queue token. Once the details are entered, the machine generates and prints the token. The token usually contains the queue number and the selected service type. At this point, the customer has an official place in the service queue. After receiving the token, the customer waits in the designated area. Meanwhile, a display board or calling system shows the token numbers being served and the corresponding counter numbers. This allows customers to wait comfortably instead of standing in a crowded line. Then, when the customer's token number is displayed or announced, the customer proceeds to the assigned counter. The display board clearly shows which token is being served and which counter to visit, so the process remains organized and efficient. Finally, the customer reaches the counter, receives the required service, and completes the transaction successfully. This completes the full working process of the customer token machine. Overall, a customer token machine improves queue management, speeds up service, supports multiple service options, and creates a better customer experience. Therefore, it is a simple but very useful tool for maintaining order and reducing waiting stress in busy service environments. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.